S8CG2 Analyze the role of the legislative branch in Georgia. Element A, explain the qualifications for members of the General Assembly and its role as the law-making body of Georgia. Our learning target, I will explain what is required to be in the General Assembly in Georgia. The General Assembly is made up of a bicameral legislature, 2 houses. One is the Senate, one is the House of Representatives. The main goal of the General Assembly is to make laws that govern Georgia. The steps that are involved in the process must be repeated in both the House and the Senate. Those steps include proposal of legislation, committee consideration, and finally, action by the full General Assembly. We will discuss the steps to lawmaking more in depth in Element C. The other duties involved in the House of Representatives and Senate include serving on a standing committee, passing the state's operating budget, enacting laws, redistricting, which is every 10 years, members of the General Assembly draw legislative district lines to create maps for the Senate and the House of Representatives district boundaries. These are also used for district lines to send Georgia representatives to the U.S. House of Representatives in Congress. Vote to place constitutional amendments. Both the House of Representatives and the Senate serve a 2-year term, and the elections are in November of even-numbered years. The qualifications for the House and the Senate are pretty much the same. You must be a resident of Georgia for 2 years, a resident of your district for at least 1 year, and a U.S. citizen. The difference in the House and the Senate qualifications is the age. To be elected to the Senate, you have to be at least 25 years old. And in the House, you have to be at least 21 years old.